Intro. Zero. Want to make money online with zero investment? These 5 free AI tools can help you start a profitable side hustle today. Let's jump in. Tool number 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Number 1 is ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, or even sell services on Fiverr. It's like having a personal content assistant 24/7. Tool number 2, Canva with AI. Canva's magic design and text-to-image features let you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business cards, all with a few clicks. Perfect for freelancers and content creators. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs, AI voice generator. Turn any text into a realistic voiceover using ElevenLabs. It's ideal for faceless YouTube channels like this one, and sounds just like a human. Tool number 4, Pictory AI. Convert articles or scripts into professional-looking videos. Just paste your text and Pictory adds visuals, voiceover, and background music automatically. Tool number 5, Notion AI. Manage your ideas, automate research, and generate content outlines with Notion AI. It's the perfect tool for entrepreneurs and digital creators. Outro, 130+. All of these tools are free to start and easy to use. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Links to each tool are in the description. Visual suggestions. Stock footage of people typing, earning online, AI graphics, tech animations, screen recordings of the tools in action, optional. Use text overlays for tool names plus benefits.